Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on my channel, do subscribe it, leave a comment after the end of the video, and if you like this whole video, do like it and subscribe my channel. So today I went for the Black Friday deals. It is early, but I had gone to the mall. I would also upload a shorts video for that, what deals are going on, but I happened to go visit one shop today और यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे ज्वेलरी मिली है, तो वो मैं आपको इस वीडियो में रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ, अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाली हूँ. तो मैं आपको बताऊँगी कि what kind of jewelry I got and how exclusive that is. तो ज़रूर वीडियो को एंड तक पूरा देखना. So let's begin with the video. So here is this brand called Lovisa. तो ये ब्रांड की ज्वेलरी मैंने ली है. And let's see what's there in this, what I have bought and how much it is for. So I'm so excited to open this. So let's see this. I actually bought like 10 items, so I will show you one by one what I bought. Let's unbox this. And you won't believe the price of these when I tell you at the end of the video, but it does have a tag on it from which you can also guess the price of it. So let's begin with my first earring. So mostly I have bought all earrings, so let's see. So this is the first earring. If you can see, how beautiful is that, with a tiny bow in it, if you can see, and crystals all over. So I really loved it, and it can go on any outfit you wear, whether it is a party outfit or plain black dress. So these earrings are 100% very good. So yes, this was my first earring I bought. Then next one is this beautiful pair of earrings. You can see with three tones. One has the green pearl, then the purple and the blue. So you can wear it on any beautiful blue outfit. And yes, so these are the beautiful earrings. So should I just wear it and see? Okay, so I'll just wear it for you so that it matches my outfit. And so yes, and it looks really good. So yeah, you can see, really matches my blue outfit. So here are the pretty earrings, if you can see. So I'll keep them while I'm making the video, because I didn't get to wear something. So yes, I'll keep it now. Let's go on to the next one. Then I bought these beautiful earrings, which are red and has a red diamond here and some beautiful red diamonds, making it a floral pattern, and with some studs all around the diamonds. These you can pair it with any red color outfit for party or something. Then I have these beautiful pair of earrings. You can see, aren't they so beautiful and pretty? Next up is this gorgeous yellow color. This is the one I have, which I think you can wear it on any yellow color top, maybe dress or something. Then I have this gorgeous pair of earrings again. Uske baad I'm gonna show you one more pair of earring. Okay, this one is a nice heart shape, red, pink, and what color is this? Some light pink color. So this will also look good on any red or pink outfit for Christmas. Then I have this beautiful pair of necklace. Beautiful pair of bracelet bangle with some nice studded stones in it. This is the last one. It's a bracelet. If you can see, beautiful crystal studded bracelet with a blue, like a blue sapphire stone in it. Match for any royal blue outfit. All kind of jewelry is a party wear jewelry, and yeah, that's it. So let's just reveal the price for this. So all of this jewelry I got it just for $26. $26. The deal was 5 for $12, and I bought such amazing jewelry from this store. So if you are staying in US, you can go purchase there. This is not a sponsored video, but I really like to share the stuff I bring and help people also get that benefit, so that's why I'm sharing it. So yeah, it was fun, and you can just see the prices. It's like $3. Then you know how cheap is that? I mean, what can you get best? So these all earrings, you can see the red tag over here. This is how they are, you know, priced for. And yeah, this was the haul I made, and hope you like it. And if you're new on my channel, do subscribe it, like it, comment it, and let me know what next you want to watch on my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.